We have looked at pin puzzles before. Now let's take a look of two puzzles where we want to put more pressure on the pinned piece and try to win that piece and gain materials. Okay, so in the first puzzle, let's take a look, and we can immediately see we have a bishop on c5 controlling the a3 to f8 diagonal. So black's knight on d6 is being pinned. So the question now is, how can we put more pressure on the d6 knight and try to win it for free? There's a couple of possibilities. In fact, there are three ways: knight e4, rook a2 d1, or rook e2 d1. So let's use elimination of the choices to get the wrong answers out first. Knight e4 doesn't work because bishop can take, and then that's just a trade. Then immediately black will try to get the king out of the diagonal to get rid of the pin, and then the knight will be able to move freely. And now let's compare rook a2 d1 versus rook e2 d1. Right now, rook on e1 is controlling this important e file. So again, rooks belong to open files, and we want to keep that rook here. And after realizing that, we'll be able to see that rook a2 d1 is the best move. Now we have two pieces that's attacking d6, but only one rook for black that's defending the knight. And because our rook on e1 is controlling the e file, king e7 is not available, so white will be able to win the knight on d6. Rook e2 d1 doesn't quite work because now black can play king e7, and at least for now protecting the d6 knight, and at least black can continue to fight on without losing a piece. Okay, now let's look at the next puzzle. Alright, in this position is black to move. So let's take a look. Where is the pin? We realize the rook on the d file is pinning the white's king and the white's knight on d2. So how can we put more pressure on the knight on d2? Alright, after searching it for a couple seconds, you'll realize knight e4 is the best move. Putting more pressure on the d2 knight, then we'll have two pieces attacking, only one defending for white. And there's no way for white's rook to get back into the defense. There's no way to go to a2 or e2 or any of the d file squares. So white is helpless, and after knight e4, black will be able to win this knight for free. So make sure to find ways to put more pressure on your opponent's pinned pieces and try to win materials using this tactic in your games.